Good afternoon. Today we'll be discussing Unit 1 of Focus on 3's curriculum. Remember that Focus on 3's is comprised of 6 units. Each unit has 20 days of content plus 6 extension days. Today we will preview Unit 1, Family. To begin, pause this video and take a few minutes to review your copy of each of the 5 texts here. There are the 4 read-alouds for Unit 1, These Hands, Love Makes a Family, Over in the Meadow, and Please Baby Please, as well as the social emotional text for Unit 1, Brown Boy Joy. As you peruse these texts, think about key plot points and key vocabulary and how the plot points and the vocabulary that stand out to you might relate to the concept of family. Additionally, for each text, think about 2 academic and 2 social emotional skills or concepts that children might learn about by reading or interacting with these texts. When you're done, press play to continue. Here you can see the arc of learning, the big ideas, and the guiding questions for Unit 1. 2 key things to take note of are that the unit presents a broad and flexible view of the concept of family. And in addition to developing self-awareness, confidence, and positive social identities, teachers will support children in actively challenging biases and stereotypes. All of the learning experiences in Unit 1 provide multiple access points for children to explore the following big ideas about the concept of family. A family is a group of unique individuals who care for and support each other. Humans and animals have families. Individuals in families have shared experiences that build their connections to each other and their identity as a family, like cooking, eating, playing, reading, and going places together. Families are similar to and different from each other. Here you can see the Unit 1 arc of unit. Note that there is built-in opportunity to review and analyze documentation and assessment data in order to plan for next steps, both between weeks 2 and 3 and at the end of week 4. Be sure to continue thinking about ways to build relevant, independent, and complicated daily routines for children as they move through the school day. Note the example here about the outside our windows routine and the idea for how to make it specifically relevant to Unit 1. Finally, remember that the read aloud reads are staggered, allowing for teachers to alternate each read aloud read with a read of a related supplemental text. You can see here a list of recommended supplemental books for Unit 1. Some of the Unit 1 learning experiences connected to the read aloud These Hands are making handprints, exploring Play-Doh, and considering how our hands can be helpful in a variety of different ways. In week 2, when the read aloud Love Makes a Family is read to children, children have opportunities to engage in learning experiences around creating a poem about the different ways that they love the various members of their families. Children create collaborative murals working together to engage with and develop a shared work of art. Children have opportunities to engage in counting and quantifying mathematical activities that draw on ideas about family that they have learned in other parts of the day. Children also engage in some nonfiction learning about animal families and the ways in which animal families are similar to and different from human families. In week 3, the read aloud is Over in the Meadow. Children have opportunities to pretend to be animals and act out being in an animal family in the dramatic play area. Children will sing various songs about animals, such as right here, you can see Sammy Snail, and a song about squirrels. Children will build structures and habitats for animals, and children will use what they learn about animal homes in the Let's Find Out About It component to extend and deepen their work creating animal structures and habitats. Please, Baby, Please is the next read aloud that is read. Children will engage in scientific experimentation and play by creating and exploring bubbles. Children will engage in research about animals. And there's an opportunity for a classroom celebration where children are able to present the learning that they have engaged in over the previous weeks and think about ways of sharing that learning, both with each other, with other classrooms potentially, and with families as well. Finally, in Unit 1, children will be exploring a wide range of mathematical concepts, learning about such concepts as shapes, counting, and sorting in a variety of fun, engaging, and hands-on ways.